In this video, you'll be learning how to change your mouse DPI in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for the control panel or panel. Okay, so once you have typed it, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the best matched and you need to click on this open option being placed at the right side of it. Okay, click on it. And in a few moments, you would be navigated to this control panel window. You just have to navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see the review by. Click on this down arrow key and go with this large icons. Okay, so once you're done, you need to proceed with the mouse, which is being placed at the second column next to fonts. Click on it. And eventually you would be able to bring up this small window called the mouse properties. Please navigate to the pointer options. So here at the pointer options, you can get to see the DPI, which is this one, the pointer speed under the motion. So in order to change that, just adjust it by nearby slow. And the moment you locate the moment you've set this one to slow, your mouse would be slow. And if you would like to set it into fast, then it would be fast. In this way, you would be able to change the mouse DPI here in your Windows. Once you're satisfied, click on apply and then OK. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.